Find features that make it different from other brands. 4. Chicdaze Mini Projector, Portable Projector. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Advanced system and rich content. This smart projector is equipped with the latest Android TV 11.0 system, featuring a wide range of built-in applications. It provides easy access to mainstream streaming platforms such as Netflix, Prime Video, and YouTube, offering a vast content library of over 500,000 movies and TV shows. Combined with the Mali G31, GPU and Wi-Fi 6 technology, it delivers a smooth and intelligent viewing experience. Multi-scenario flexible projection. The smart movie projector supports 180 degrees free rotation, allowing for easy projection on walls, ceilings, or floors without complicated setup. It is suitable for various scenarios, including home theaters, leisure entertainment, children's education, video conferences, or online teaching, meeting diverse usage needs. Intelligent correction and immersive sound. The HY300 PRO Pico projector, the built-in automatic Keyston correction, quickly adjusts the image to its ideal state, while manual focus ensures a clear picture in an instant. The 360-degree surround sound system provides an immersive auditory experience, turning every viewing session into an audio-visual feast. High-definition picture quality and smooth connectivity. Supporting 1080p, 4K resolution, the projector utilizes advanced LED technology to deliver bright and realistic projection effects. Seamless connectivity is achieved through Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.0, compatible with both 2.4G and 5G networks, ensuring smooth streaming. With 200 ANSI lumens brightness and a 1500:1 contrast ratio, it offers stunning visual effects. Quiet operation and multifunctional expansion. The efficient cooling system keeps operational noise below 25 decibels, providing a quiet viewing environment. Equipped with HDMI, USB, and audio interfaces, it can easily connect to external devices such as laptops, TV sticks, and USB drives. Enabling seamless compatibility and expanding entertainment possibilities. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.